Hello everybody, I'm the student of RNSIS and today we went on a learning experiential field trip to RA Vasundhara. We learned about various different things like medicinal plants and what are their benefits and how they affect the body and what cures they have with various diseases. It was a very fantastic trip. We learned a lot and we had a lot of fun with our friends. We also had an amazing opportunity to grow plants to farm and it was a very amazing experience and I hope that we could get this opportunity again. Thank you.
So, so first of all, I came to school early, and then we formed a line and go on the bus. And then once we reached there, we kind of, and then we like planted a tree, and we had a little explore there, and and we also had some lunch. Lunch was like rice and something I don't know, and 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 for snack we had our own snack like for like I got fruit gummy, peach flavor, and that's it.